How do I find my master key? Where did I save it? The master key is only meant to be used on the Heal Advisor Analyze app, also known as the Resonance app. It is the app with the blue dot. It is not used on the Healy app, or the app labeled with the pink dot. The Healy app will work without the master key. You will be given many places to store your master key during installation. The master key is the only way to retrieve your data from the cloud. You can upload it to the cloud, Dropbox, Box, or you can also save it in the Files folder on your phone as well as other places. On your iPhone, simply find your Files icon on your iPhone and press the app. You will be given options to store, or find, the master key, such as your iCloud drive, on your iPhone, in the Downloads folder, or many other places. Do make a note where you store this. The file will always be stored as a .json file and the file name will always begin with Healy. On your iPad, the process is basically identical. Find your Files folder, which in this case is at the bottom of the screen. You see after opening it, it is already in the iCloud Drive folder, but you can go to the bottom right of the screen and press the Browse button. You'll see to the left different places to store or find a file. Again, you see the same directory because it's in the same iCloud folder for both the iPhone and the iPad. We hope this has been helpful to illustrate how to find your master key that you have imported and stored.